So magandang araw Kabola. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan po natin Kabola. Tatapusin ko pa yung series ko kung saan nagbibigay po tayo ng biggest trade need suggestion sa bawat teams. And for this edition, we have Magnolia and then the tatlong independent teams, Phoenix, Rhino Shine at Converge Kabola. So kung hindi pa na-subscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Let's start po by discussing the controversy Kabola in regards din po sa 4-point shot. Of course, controversial na yung decision, diba? Mas the mere fact lang po Kabola na hindi yan ginagawa ng ibang matataas po or matatagal na liga po ng basketball Kabola dito sa buong mundo. Other than that, actually, may epekto din yan sa rules. Or I mean, dito po sa records Kabola, diba? So, ika-count mo ba yung 4-point shot as 3-point shot dun sa record book Kabola? Actually, yan isang malaking tanong ngayon Kabola na hindi pa rin nila manaban po ng sagot in a way kasi mukhang hindi naman po yan napag-usapan during Kabola that decision when it was made. And actually yan yung pinapakita niya Kabola din, di ba? Kung gaano po, kung baka ka-short-sighted po yung naging decision, di ba? Yung pag-decision po nila dito na i-accept na nga po yung 4-point shot. Now, ano po yung opinion natin with that matter? Simple lang po yung opinion natin. We think that the proper way is for them to count it as such. So, yung 4-point shot, pag may nakapasok po na gano'n, is dapat i-count po siya as 3-point shot din po sa record book. Kasi nga, yun pala naman, sabi ni Commissioner Willie Marshall, meron pa rin palang chance na may scrap din. So, in short po, nag-e-experiment sila. Pero ang kaiba lang dito sa PBA, nag-e-experiment sila dun sa mismong PBA. Di ba? Dati, start pa nila sa All-Star. Hindi nga nila ito try sa D-League, di ba? Sa PBA agad, kasi nga, mukhang ang gusto nila Kabola, ikaw yung pag-experiment, doon na mismo sa PBA, doon ka na mag-experiment, diba? Wala silang pakialam siguro Kabola, kahit, yun daw yung mismong liga, diba? Yun yung oldest Asian League, wala silang pakialam sa ganon. Basta gusto nila, i-try nila, i-experiment nila. Kung mag-work, kung makaka-help siya Kabola sa popularity ng liga. And it seems like, Kabola, in that regards, mukhang hindi. Ano po? Mukhang hindi. Now, dito muna tayo sa comments po ng mga fans, Kabola. Sabi dito ni Ronald Borpusidad, pa-shoutout. Yes, Sir Ronald, pa-shoutout to you. Nate Vicent para 1-on-1 trade between William Navarro and Mo Tautua. It's a good trade. For me, it's a fair trade, Kabola. And again, I've been consistent naman, di ba? We are high in terms of trade valuation kay Mo Tautua. Kasi nga po, is a giant and in our eyes, is still a top 10 center in the league. And again, demand and supply lang po yan. The demand for this Giants Kabola is low. I mean, the supply is low. The demand is huge. Mawawalan naman sila ng backup kay KMF. Sabi naman ni user GF8 Kabola. Now, dito na tayo sa listahan natin Kabola ng mga trade needs ng apat nga na team na nabanggit natin. Start natin siguro Magnolia Hotshots po. So, Magnolia Hotshots, ito, very obvious naman yan nila. They need po an elite shooter Kabola. Ano po? So, they badly need an elite shooter kasi if you look at the roster Kabola, yun talaga yung need nila. They need an elite shooter. Diba? They traded for Sab Lucero Kabola, pero unfortunately, Sab Lucero is not an elite shooter. So, yun po yung kailangan nila. They need an elite shooter. Next po natin Kabola, ito pong Converge Kabola. For me, ang need po nitong Converge ay isang elite wing shooter Kabola. Now, with the addition of Baltasar, although second tournament pa lang po siya, okay na yung frontline nila Kabola. Pero what they need now is an elite wing shooter. Kasi kung titignan mo po yung lineup nila, parang yun talaga yung kulang. Ano po, isang wing shooter. So that, sa backcourt kasi, okay naman sila. Winston will be there Kabola. Stockton will be there Kabola. So, kumbaga, stable naman yun. Forward position, they should have enough bodies there Kabola, and then the big man is fine. Phoenix, they need a giant Kabola. Yes, they added a very tall Kai Balongay, around 6'7" Kabola. And he can also stretch the floor. Pero naman natin, hindi po yan sapat. As much as possible, they should gather as many giant possible. 6'7" and up kung pwede nga Kabola. Kasi nga, yun talaga yung need eh. In combating John Mar Fajardo, Stan Hardinger Kabola, the new frontline Kabola, they need that badly. Lastly Kabola, Rhino Shine, yung last two painters. If you look for their lineup, actually, medyo kompleto sila eh. Coach Shingyao yun, Kabola. Pero I think what they need is an elite all-around type of player, di ba? At least, pag elite all-around player yan, Kabola, he can fit in any lineup, di ba? If they want a switch shooting, stretch type, then fit yung all-around. If they want a defensive lineup, fit yung elite all-around player na yan, kabola. So I think that is what they need. And I think they will try Kylan Chongson if he can be that guy. Pero medyo hindi ako confident that he can be elite all-around. Maybe a very good all-around player, pero I'm not sure kung elite. Kabola, anong kailangan na rin siya? Kami na po sa baba.